Yeah. So basically, if you go in depth with some like as a kind of a technical design for serverless. So what can be fit in serverless core technology components? So when we design an application, so the first and foremost is API gateway. Next is function as a service and a backend as a service. So with this, actually, yes, definitely 100%. I can tell that we can develop actually a web-based application, or we can develop an API, a RESTful web service, or we can develop actually uh, an analytics with ingestion-based application. So the first and foremost, if it's an API gateway, this is actually we can call it as an interface between the client and the function as a service. And this actually handles all the client requests that are coming, and then it will have a capability for security, next rate limiting, called throttling, caching, everything. And so that the backend, the function as a service, can work like a microservice, or it can work like a kind of a data processing unit actually. So when we say in a typical microservice architecture, function as a service is nothing but a microservice. It's a granular service that computes or that process the data. So the request that is coming from API gateway will be flown to the function as a service, which process the data. And from there, it goes to the backend as a service. And backend as a service, definitely it should be a persistent store, like a data store, which is again completely scalable. So with this kind of core technology components, we can build definitely one web-based application. We can build even an MVC kind of an application. We can build a kind of a RESTful API service.
Yeah, and within this also, I believe like database, the backend as a service, right, where the database operations will going to happen. I think database can be a serverless as well, right? So
yes, yeah.
I
Database
think
is also serverless. Correct.
yeah.
So yeah.